Welcome to the next lecture of transport in plants, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the structure of stomata. So here is the structure of stomata. Structure of stomata. We are going to draw the structure of open as well as closed stomata. Clear? The stomata is surrounded by guard cells. So here two bean-shaped guard cells are present. So this is the first guard cell and here is the second guard cell. So these are the two bean-shaped guard cells. In guard cells, the wall thickening is different. Clear? The wall which is facing to the stomatal pore, it is thicker than the wall which is away from the stomatal pore. So this wall is thick. Here the special type of thickenings are present. So this thickening differ the guard cells from the other epidermal cells. So the wall which is facing towards the stomatal pore is thicker than the wall which is away from the stomatal pore. ठीक है, जो वॉल यहाँ से दूर है, ये वाली जो वॉल है ये थिन होगी और स्टोमेटल पोर के साइड जो वॉल होती है दैट इज थिक. दिस इज गार्ड सेल. This is the stomatal pore, or we can say that this is the stoma or stomatal pore. On the outer side, some subsidiary cells are there. So here I am drawing the subsidiary cells, which are the epidermal cells. So these are the epidermal cells, and these epidermal cells are called as subsidiary cells. Clear? So these are the epidermal cells. In guard cells, chloroplast is present. So this is the chloroplast. Here is the chloroplast. This chloroplast is different from the chloroplast which is present in the mesophyll cells. Yeah, so this is the different type of chloroplast which we will discuss in the chapter of respiration. So here is, this is the chloroplast and these are the subsidiary cells. Okay, the subsidiary cells or these epidermal cells does not have the chloroplast. So here the chloroplast is not there. When the guard cells, here nucleus is also there in the guard cell. So this is the nucleus of guard cell. When these guard cells absorb water, ना जब वाटर कंसंट्रेशन गार्ड सेल्स में ज्यादा हो जाता है, जब ये वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करेंगी तो यहाँ पर द सेल्स बिकम्स टर्जिड. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन द सेल्स आर गोइंग टू बिकम टर्जिड देन द स्टोमेटल पोर गेट्स ओपन. जब गार्ड सेल्स टर्जिड होंगी तो स्टोमेटल पोर क्या होगा? ओपन. दिस इज द ओपन स्टोमेटल पोर. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास जो डायग्राम है, दिस इज ओपन स्टोमेटा. दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ open stomata. And how the closed stomata is there? Closed stomata में हमें stomatal pore क्या करना है? Close. Rest of the structure is same. So here is the closed stomata. This is the closed stomata and this is the guard cell. Rest of the cells are the same. Clear? So this is the closed stomata. Here the guard cells are also in flaccid condition, because in closed stomata the guard cells becomes flaccid. Clear? तो ये हो गया हमारे पास closed stomata. These are the subsidiary cells. This type of structure a stomata is having, and here the chloroplasts are there. Clear? The guard cells are differ from these epidermal subsidiary cells in two manner. What are that two manners? 1 minute. This is the guard cell, this is the stomatal pore, chloroplast and subsidiary cells. Clear? So this is the closed stomata. This one is the open stomata and this is the closed stomata. The guard cells are also the epidermal cells, but these cells surround the stomatal pore. That's why we are saying that these are the guard cells, because these are guarded the stomatal pore. These guard cells and epidermal cells are different in two ways. The first important way is guard cells contain chloroplast, but the epidermal or these subsidiary cells does not contain the chloroplast. And the second difference is that the special type of wall thickenings present in the guard cells. These type of wall thickenings are not present in the epidermal cells. That's why these guard cells are different from these epidermal cells. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे epidermal cells से कैसे different है? guard cells में क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेजेंट होगा, epidermal cells में क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. और यहाँ पे जो वॉल थिकनिंग्स है ना, वॉल थिकनिंग्स हम देख रहे हैं, जो वॉल स्टोमेटल पोर को फेस कर रही है दैट इज थिकर देन द वॉल अवे फ्रॉम द स्टोमेटल पोर. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ये गार्ड सेल्स epidermal सेल से डिफरेंट होती है. द क्लोरोप्लास्ट विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द गार्ड सेल इज डूइंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, बट दिस फोटोसिंथेसिस इज also different from the normal photosynthesis which is carried out by the mesophyll cells. ना mesophyll cells जो photosynthesis करती है, उस photosynthesis से different type का photosynthesis guard cells show करती है. तो यहाँ पर chloroplast का structure भी mesophyll cell से different होता है और photosynthesis की process भी different होती है. Clear? So this is the structure of stomata. यहाँ पर जैसे ही water movement start होगा stomata के अंदर, कैसे होगा वाटर मूवमेंट स्टार्ट, अभी हम नेक्स्ट में जब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जब ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा का मैकेनिज्म देखेंगे तो वहां हमें समझ में आएगा. जब वाटर मूवमेंट होगा गार्ड सेल्स में, देन दीज गार्ड सेल्स बिकम्स टर्जिड, और जब गार्ड सेल्स टर्जिड होंगी देन दे स्टोमेटल पोर विल गेट ओपन. और जब गार्ड सेल्स फ्लैसिड होंगी, इट मीन्स जब वाटर कंसेंट्रेशन गार्ड सेल्स में कम होगा, देन द गार्ड सेल्स बिकम्स फ्लैसिड. And at that condition the stomatal pore will closed. Clear? So this is about the structure of stomata. In our next lecture we will discuss about the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. Thank you very much.